In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started earning an income by sharing your Stan referral link. To get started, we're going to log into our Stan account. Then over on the left-hand side, we are going to click More, and then we're going to look at all of the Stan apps that are available to us. So here we see referrals. I want to make passive income on Stan. That is what we need. So we're going to click the little toggle button, and that just adds it to our menu over here. So we'll always be able to just click on it and access it. We go over to the left-hand menu. We go down to referrals. Here under referrals, you're going to see all of your active referrals, the total referrals that you've had for the time that you're on Stan, and your total earnings. So once you go down to the next section, you will see your share referral link, and it will be over here on the right-hand side. So all you have to do is click the copy button, and that has copied the URL. So you can test it out by pasting it into the search bar and then seeing what it brings up. And as you can see, it does bring up Stan Store and then your referral link. So mine has Create with Pennies right here. So you really want to make sure that the URL has your name in it, and otherwise you're good to go. So that's all it is. It's super simple. You go to your referral section, you grab your link, and then you share your referral link. So that is key. When people use it to sign up, you will then earn 20% of the profit share every single month that they're part of Stan. So if they're on the lower price plan, you'll get 20% of that. If they move up to the higher price plan where they're paying, $99 a month, you'll earn 20% of that. So it's a great way to earn a little extra money, especially if you're already using Stan. You can see I've shared my link a few times. So I have earned in my first month $6 in referral fees and then $24. And now in the current month, when I'm making this video, I have earned $20 again. Definitely send your referral link out to friends and people that you think might want to get started with a shop or a link in bio with Stan. And then definitely direct them to this video next because it teaches you all about how to set up your Stan store in the right way to get started.